WhatsApp is no longer going to allow you to spy on chats on linked devices. This news might need a bit of context. Remember that for some time now, WhatsApp has allowed you to start your account from multiple devices. This comes in handy, albeit with its limitations, as the primary device must remain connected to the internet at least every so often. Unlike other applications such as Telegram that allow all chats to be in the cloud, and thus you can connect from any device in general. But there were several reports and complaints from users who said that the chats they blocked on their main device were unlocked on connected devices. And surely these are people who want to hide something, and that's why WhatsApp is going to release this update. After this update, the chats that you block on the main device will also be blocked on linked devices. And remember that this lock can be with some specific password or with your fingerprint. And also they remain hidden, and it seems to me that they are in a special hidden section. Or also as a user you can enable the hidden section to be hidden. And you can simply type in the search bar some special code to show that hidden section. So what I would recommend you the most would be not to try to hide something, please. But anyway, this update is coming soon. At the moment it is being tested. It is said that they are already starting to test this on the beta version for Android 2.24.4.14. If from any linked device you try to enter one of these blocked chats, it will now show up this chat is blocked. No word yet on specifically when this update will roll out to all users, but if it's already present in some beta users, it's likely to take a few days or weeks, but I don't think it will take more than a month.